Yo, what's going on guys, Classic here, and in today's video I want to give you guys some tips to help you guys become much better at aiming in Paladins. So this video is mostly focused on how to aim better and how to improve your accuracy and all those good stuff in Paladins, because having a good accuracy is very important in this game, and that's what we'll be discussing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's try and hit at least 10 likes on today's video, and be sure to subscribe if you guys are new to my channel, because I'm trying to make a lot of tips and tricks videos based on Paladins to help you guys improve your gaming experience. So with that being said guys, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, we are back. So I have a few tips that works specifically for Paladin and helps you improve your aiming. And well, aiming in this game isn't as simple as you may think, because your enemies can move really quick. Aiming is something that, especially in these close quarters gunfights are so important in this game, and they are kind of tough to win because the hit detection could be a little off sometimes. But having a perfect aim is a very good key, and that's why we will be talking about that today. So let's start with the first tip now. Some of these tips will be really simple, some will be really complicated, but hopefully you guys stick around and hopefully this video will help you guys out. So the first tip I'm gonna give you guys is to keep your crosshairs where the enemy is gonna be. Most of the times this is gonna be in the middle of the screen. Now this is a more beginner tip, but I see most people moving around with their crosshairs not exactly centered in the middle of the screen, which can be a big mistake. Very simple tip, and most of the times you want to aim for the chest or head. That's just the best way, simply aiming for a bigger target. You want to aim right dead center of the chest, because that's the biggest mass and the biggest place and the easiest place to hit. Next step I want to talk about is sensitivity. Everyone likes to talk about sensitivity. What's the perfect sensitivity? Now I personally play on a 60 to 65 sensitivity, I believe. And as far as sensitivity in this game, you want to make your sensitivity high enough where you're comfortable using, but low enough where you're not losing your gunfights and missing your shots. But if you're missing a lot of shots, you may want to consider lowering your sensitivity. But as far as aiming, there is one real life product you can use which can help you improve your aiming, and that's Control Freaks. Now just to let you guys know, I didn't get paid or sponsored to say this, and that's why I didn't highly recommend it, and that's why it's actually the last thing on my list. But still, I said why not share these info which may help you guys improve your gaming experience and help you improve your aiming. Now the reason why I said Control Freaks is because I myself uses them and they works really great. I'm not gonna lie, the first time I used them it took me a few days to adjust and get used to, but I think Control Freaks are like $10 or so. You guys can get them online or at GameStop. I think I bought my Control Freaks at GameStop. You guys can check GameStop if you guys want to get a pair of Control Freaks. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and don't forget to hit the like button. I'm trying to hit at least 10 likes on today's video, and also subscribe if you guys are new around here. Be sure to follow me up on all social medias. Link to that will be in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.